Now we will see what is computer. A computer is an electronic device. Initially we can tell like this. Okay, computer is an electronic device that operate under such types of controls of instructions which can be stored in its own memory that can accepted data, that is input, process the data according with the help of specified rules and regulation that we are considered as the process, and gives the appropriate result that we are consider as an output. And after whatever data we want to store and we can use it in a future, then we are stored it in your storage devices. It may be hard disk, it may be pen drive, it may be your drives, whatever it may be. These all are considered as an computer. Okay, now some peoples may say that computer stands for common operating machine, common operating machine purposely used for technological and educational research. Generally we are telling that it computer stands for common operating machine purposely used for technical and educational research. Okay, and it is used for performing some types of mathematicals and logical operations automatically. This is the main definition of a computer. Okay, in an earlier days the peoples are using manually we can calculate, manually we can do such kinds of works, but nowadays all that works are done with the help of what? Computer, because it having some kinds of advantages. Okay, what kind of advantage it having? Sometimes the computer may also called as an personal computer. Okay, because the computers having the speed of work is much more than manually. We can do a faster information within a fraction of second. It gives a result within a fraction of second, and we can use it globally. We can communicate globally quickly. And the accuracy, whatever we are giving the information, whatever we are inputting the information, after we are getting a exact information through the help of what? Computers. We get the accurate result in a computer. That's why programs can make sure work is more accurate than it done manually. That's why. And another advantages of personal computer is communicating to internet. Okay, you may ask the question, you may ask the queries. Okay, and if you want any kind of ability to research in any kind of a topic, easily we can do through the help of what? Computers. And we can store the information with the updated information. If I want to store information day wise through the help of what? Date, the computer, we can store the information with the help of data. Through the date wise only we can also save the dates. That type of facility the computer gives, because if I want to retrieve that data among if I want to retrieve that data and save the data through the help of date, we can easily do that because of what? Computers. And it reduces the paperwork. That's why. And it reduces the load, and we can do much more works within a fraction of a second. These all things are very important and advantages of personal computers. There is also some kinds of disorders is also there in an computers. We will see. Okay, there is no thinking ability is there. Okay, in a personal computers, it does not having any self thinking power. It can work only through the help of what persons. Anyone has to be operate to do the work. That is the one disadvantages of personal computer. Again, there is some list of disadvantages of personal computer is also there. That is the first one is what thinking power, and the second one is computer breakdown. Means if there is any fault in the computers may occur, okay, at that time don't work, it stops companies and people working, and it is more adaptation through the playing games and social networks. And it is lack of exercise because all the children and adults are much more attachment with more time with computers and laptops. If virus are come occurs in your personal computers, at that time the working must be stopped, and it might be loss of available data because of viruses. There is a lack of work for people through the help of what computers, because it reduces the people work, and some jobs as a computer can do jobs for several peoples. These are all some disadvantages are there. Okay, this is initially why we are using computers, and what purpose we are using computers, and what is computers, what the computer stands for, and what is disadvantages and what is the advantages of computers we are seeing in this lecture. Okay, in next class we will discuss what is digital logic and analog systems. We'll stop here only. Thank you.